Hello everybody, Leapin' Leppin' here. How are you guys today? So, in this cleaning episode, we got this gorgeous Beretta 92 FS. Needs cleaned. It's not too terribly dirty, but it still needs to be cleaned anyway. So, let's get on it. Okay, once again, like on the EAA Witness, we will be using CLP and Hops 9 right here. This Beretta FS actually belonged to my brother, and then my brother sold it to my father, and he has entrusted upon me to get it nice and clean. So that's what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is do a function test as it's dirty. Take it off safety. Okay. Nothing in the magazines. Nothing in the chamber, but see how sluggish that is? That's super sluggish. Okay. That's chock full of dirt. Shouldn't be that sluggish. Alright. You got this here. You got a button here. Okay. You're going to push that button in. Pull this tab down. I can't really see it, can you? Sorry about that. Push this tab in. Pull this down. Slide is released. Pull off your slide. That easy. As we can see the condition of this, it is dirty. Not as dirty as that EAA Witness, but still dirty. Okay. Here's the condition of the slide, the firing mechanism, and the barrel. Let's go ahead and take our spring out. 90% of all automatics are going to be like this. Okay. The next thing you're going to do, pull this little guy up here. See it? Slide your barrel forward, up, and out. Okay? This is your barrel and your firing mechanism. No, I'm sorry. It's your barrel and your, something there. And here's the slide. As you can see, it's not as dirty, but it's still dirty. Still dirty. Always liked the Beretta 92. Very fascinating firearm. As you know, it's made in Italy. Go ahead and take that out. Set that to the side. As you know, it's made in Italy. This is stainless steel, which is nice. And it was used by the U.S. Armed Forces for quite a long time. I can't remember exactly the dates, but it was a while. It was a while. I'm going to go ahead and take these grips off. Even they're not dirty. We're not going to clean the grips, but underneath I got a feeling it's going to be quite dirty. So, take your screwdriver. You got 2 screws. Maybe. There we go. Thing was in there pretty tight, probably from the factory. Okay. Well, that's not too bad. That's not too bad, but it's still just a tad dirty, so we'll go ahead and clean it anyway. Of course, I want to be careful not to knock those out. This here does have the Crimson Trace laser. Pretty nice feature on there. Very nice feature. There we go. And if I can, I'll check the battery in this. Even though it should be good for a long time. I want to see if there's a date on it. I don't think it needs one, but never know. Oh, here we go. CR 2032s. 2 of them. So if you ever know what that takes, there you go. Rayovac. Little plate there. And that's just a little bit dirtier on this side. Not too much though. This ain't too bad. This is going to be an easy job, hopefully. So, like last time, we're going to get these out of the way. So, like last time, we're going to soak this in CLP. We're going to focus on the slide first. Just put it in there. Hopefully this thing won't come off again like it did last time. Probably will. That's just the run of luck I got. Yep, there we go. Just like that. Yep. Okay. Gonna let that soak. It's nice that this is stainless. You know, we'll just... That'll work, won't it? Yep, sure will. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on there. And of course, on the barrel. Especially on that part. Just let it soak like that. And then, this little part here, just a little bit. We'll start out with that. I'm going to let this soak for about 45 minutes. And then I'll be right back with you. Alright, so I've let this stuff sit for around 45 minutes. Take the brush here. Start coming off, is it? Oh, yeah. Slowly. A bit of paper towel here. Since I scrubbed it. Look at that. Came right off. Oh yes, look at that. Kind of hard for you to see, isn't it? Getting in there nice and deep. Not as bad as that other one though. Not as bad. Nice thing is, this is stainless steel. Of course, so was the other one. So you get that brush again. Get in here. Paper towel, because I pretty much ran out of cloths. getting these grooves. Yeah, this isn't too bad. It's nice that stainless steel is so easy to clean. A little bit down here, it looks like. Take the pick. Do that. Inspect this. Got a little bit left here, looks like. Oh yeah, it's coming right off. Get in here. It'd be a lot better if I had Q-tips. Oh wait, I do have one. Okay, I'm going to have to let that soak down there again a little bit. Yeah, just to kind of finish that off, I'll go ahead and put some more in there. Let it soak for another 30 minutes this time, I think. I think 30 should do it. And put some more in these rails. Let that soak. Alright, got a new paper towel here. Start cleaning off this barrel. I'll probably go ahead and soak this again. Like the interior is not too bad, but we'll go ahead and clean it anyway. Alright. In fact, let me run a bore brush through it first. Well, it's definitely been shot. I can definitely smell sulfur. That actually kind of concerns me, though. If I'm smelling sulfur, I wonder what kind of ammunition he's been using in this. Go ahead and maybe that won't work. Probably won't work once I double it. Maybe I can double. Oh wait, I got a pad here. Found one. Okay. It's not bad. Yeah, I'll go ahead and clean it. Wish there was a way I could stand that straight up. Probably not, huh? No, it's just gonna... I don't think it's going to stay. Oh, it might. Hey, look at that. Might stay there as long as that it's not bumped, huh? Well, like I said, this tape here shot anyway. It's so old. I mean, look at the Scotch labeling there. If you can see it. Yeah, that's how old it is. Well, it's some pretty old stuff. Anyway, I'm going to let this... Actually, go ahead and start soaking this down. this nice all and lubed up. That didn't last long, did it? Let it soak like that. Alright, barrel can. You know what? It'll be fine. Alright. It has soaked for another 30 minutes. Get this through. There we go. Quite a bit of carbon sitting there, as you can see. Go ahead and run this through. Oh yeah. Barrel's coming nice and clean. Still smells of sulfur though. It's getting better. It's getting better. Not too bad. Not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. Hint, hint, the EAA Witness. Go ahead and get a dry cloth. Go ahead and just backboard a few times. Go front a few times. Yeah, that's not too bad. I might go ahead and brush it one last time here. Yeah, that barrel's a lot better than it was. I might work on this for a few minutes here. Then we'll get to the these two again. Alright. That barrel is nice and clean. Beautiful shape. It's a little nick there, it looks like, from the factory. Go ahead and work on this slide again real quick. Let's see. Here we go. Next thing we're going to be doing is that, of course, the lower. I do have a TikTok, of course. Almost got, what is it, 15,000 followers over there, which has surprised me. I'm just a lowly person in this world. Take that brush and break up some of that gunpowder. There we go. And it's going to need to pick. Let me get in there. Yeah, that's a little bit dirty in there. It's coming out though, just slowly. I'm gonna, since you've kind of seen me clean this somewhat already, I'm gonna head and get this done. Then I'll be back with. Okay, this slide is done. Nice and clean, as you can see. Nice and clean. Next thing we're going to work on is the lower. Go ahead and start really getting in there. I don't want to knock these out. Oh, that came right off. Beautiful. Oh yeah, this isn't too bad. I mean, sure, it's dirty, but it's not horrible. And get this brush, get in there, scrub it. In there, in that frame, scrub it as well. Make sure not to trip any of the stuff here. Scrub it up and wipe it down. Pad here. So, alright. Well, I'm going to work on this, and I'll show you the results. Okay, I've worked on this for about half an hour. Nice and clean. And here it's nice and clean, you can tell. So this here is about ready to go. Got this here to clean, which won't take very long. Put this to the side. Get a paper towel. Just wipe this down quickly. Guide rod. Yeah, it's not too bad shape. Really good shape, actually. This little piece, of course, just getting the little crannies there, nooks. Yeah, it's coming out nice. Real nice. Real nice. Okay, so we're going to put this all back together. This goes into here. Go ahead and push that back. Like that. Probably can't do this first try. Let's see here. Alright, got it. Just slipped it right in there. So that's good. Go ahead and put a drop of oil in here. There we go. Get that in there. Very good. It's soaking in. Okay. Goes in just like that. That sets up. There we go. Nice. Next thing you're going to do, take your spring and your rod You're going to do that. Place it like that. Push in and set right there. This is just like any other automatic out there. Same thing. Same exact thing. Okay? That is ready to be put onto the frame. The frame, of course, is going to get oil. So I'll do that real quick and get right back to you. Okay, I got this oiled up on the inside and all the little mechanical parts. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to put on your grips. Okay, I'll do that. Be right back with you. It's easy. Put this on. 2 screws there. Oh, and put this on before put the screws on. Okay. Sorry about that, I kind of goofed up. It goes on that way. Okay, the bottom is put back together. I'm going ahead and oil the slide. Don't have to put too much on there, just enough. Kind of just... Okay. Put your slide back on. Like that. Okay. Bring it all the way back. Alright. You gotta... Sorry about that. Bring it all the way back. Alright. Pop that up. She's back together. Go ahead and put just a little bit of oil on a paper towel. Just a little bit, 1 or 2 drops. And just go ahead and oil your metal. And you have a completed, clean Beretta. Nice snap of the trigger. Function test. See how fast that went? Slow it was the first time, but see how sluggish that is? That's super sluggish. Okay? That is a clean Beretta. Beautiful. Make sure the safety works. Disengage. Excellent. Very, very nice. And that safety is ambidextrous. Let's go ahead and make sure the crimson trace still works. It does. So, this has been Leapin' Leppin'. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you do like my videos, give me a like. Well, anyway, it's been Leapin' Leppin'. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next video.